In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format an essay in Microsoft Word for MLA and APA style. When you're formatting an academic paper, your goal is clarity, readability, and consistency. Fancy or unique designs might look interesting, but in most academic settings they're distracting. Instead, we'll use Microsoft Word's built-in tools to make your essay look clean and professional, and we'll do it in a way that saves time and avoids manual fixes later. Start on the Home tab with the Styles pane. This is the easiest way to keep everything consistent. Find the normal style, right-click it, and choose Modify. Here, set your default font to something standard like 12-point Times New Roman, choose Left Alignment, and set your line spacing to double. Applying these settings to the normal style ensures your entire document follows the same rules by default, so you're not formatting each paragraph by hand. If your essay uses sections or subheadings, apply Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on, instead of manually bolding or resizing text. In APA, section headings are often centered and bolded. In MLA, headings are often left aligned. Using these built-in headings also lets you generate a table of contents later, which is helpful for longer papers. Next, automate indentation and spacing so every paragraph is perfectly formatted without extra keystrokes. On the Home tab, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the paragraph section to open Paragraph Settings. Under Indentation, choose First Line from the special drop-down and set it to 0.5 inches. Under Spacing, set line spacing to double, and make sure before and after are both 0 point. This prevents unexpected gaps and keeps your lines evenly spaced in a way that matches academic conventions. When it's time to start your references or works cited page, don't press Enter a bunch of times to reach the next page. Instead, go to the Insert tab and select Page Break. That guarantees your new section always begins on a fresh page, even if you add more content earlier in the essay. Finally, if you'd like a head start, Word offers free templates for academic papers. On Word's start screen, search for MLA or APA, pick a template, and you'll get a document with core formatting already in place. Always double-check that the template matches your instructor's requirements. And for detailed guidance on citation rules and examples, the Purdue Online Writing Lab is an excellent resource. Use these features, keep things simple, and your essay will look polished, professional, and ready to submit.